I wanted to share 3 different things you can do if you're stuck in a rut with your playing and need some spark to add to your creative tongue drum practice. The first tip is to really play around with how your tongue drum can make sounds and maybe you haven't thought of before. For example, playing with the back end of your mallet. That creates a different type of sound. You can also mute your tongue drum note to see what type of sound that makes. The second tip that you can experiment with is playing with your fingers and also using your knuckle to create a beat or a little tap to add a different flair dynamic. The last tip is to play around with picking just 2 notes, but they harmonize well together. There may be several on your tongue drum that you can use as duet notes. Once you've found them, you can play around with just doing some vamping or freestyling with those chords. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more in-depth tutorials on how to play the tongue drum, just check out the description below. I also have links to my Etsy shop for all the tools and accessories you see me using in my videos. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe.